If you work in the agricultural industry or own a farm, a nursery, a ranch, a winery, grower, or any other type agricultural operation, and you don't have these 5 documents in place, then you could be facing fines starting at $10,000. And most operators have no idea until it's too late. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we are covering the 5 legal safety documents every agricultural operation needs. These documents protect your workers, they protect your business, and they keep OSHA off your property. Number 1. The Safety Inspection Checklist. Every week someone must walk your business or property. They check equipment, chemical storage, fire extinguishers, emergency shutoffs. No inspection records means an automatic violation. You must document everything, every single week, to stay compliant with health and safety regulatory standards. Number 2. The hazard log. Agriculture industry can change every season. New equipment, wet conditions, pesticide storage. Every hazard must be identified, documented, and assigned to someone. No hazard log means no defense if something goes wrong. Number 3. The PPE tracker. PPE means personal protective equipment. The first line of defense to best protect the workers. Gloves, respirators, goggles, hearing protection. OSHA, WorkSafe, and other regulatory bodies requires you to prove every worker has the right equipment. Track every item, who received it, when it needs replacing. Number 4. The incident report. Accidents can and do happen. When they do, you need a completed incident report immediately. Date, time, location, what happened, who was involved. A missing incident report after an injury is one of the most common OSHA citations in the agricultural industry. Number 5. The training and emergency report. Every worker must be trained, and that training record must be documented. Chemical handling, equipment operation, emergency procedures. If a worker gets hurt and you cannot prove they were trained, you are liable and can be subject to fines, shut down, even jail time. All 5 of these templates are ready for you right now. My complete agricultural safety kit includes every document we just covered. It is a Google Sheets bundle. Download it, fill it in, print it out. You are compliant from day 1. The link is in the description below. If this video helped you, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We cover off-grid living, homesteading, and simple living here at Contain Your Life. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.